The next materials and resources credit is solid waste management ongoing. This credit applies to the following categories for 2 points. The intent is to reduce the waste that is generated by building occupants and hauled to and disposed of in landfills and incinerators. What's the thinking behind this? A significant amount of solid waste is generated through daily operations of buildings. Environmentally preferred management strategies include source reduction, recycling, composting, and reuse, all of which reduce the volume of waste transported to landfills and incinerators. The reprocessing of used materials into new goods avoids the harms associated with raw material extraction and manufacturing and supports regional recycling and reuse facilities. Effective solid waste management may also reduce waste disposal fees and expenditures on new materials. Waste management programs are often highly visible, and effective material managers can give occupants and tenants an important signal of the building's owner overall commitment to sustainability. Let's have a look at the requirements. The no establishment criteria. For the performance period, maintain a waste reduction and recycling program that reuses, recycles, or composts the following. At least 50% of the ongoing waste as specified in materials and resource prerequisite, ongoing purchasing and waste policy, by either weight or volume. And at least 75% of the durable goods, again as specified in the materials and resources prerequisite, ongoing purchasing and waste policy, by weight, volume, or replacement value. In addition, safely dispose of the 2 following categories: all discarded batteries and all mercury-containing lamps. Now for schools, there are some additional requirements. K-12 schools may exclude food waste from the final performance calculation of the total building waste stream by meeting both of the following requirements. 1. Provide documentation that food waste composting services are not available in the region or are not economically feasible based on the school or district's operational budget for solid waste management. 2. During the performance period, implement an awareness program that encourages occupants to reduce food waste. And compliant programs should at least 2 of the following: signage in food service and cafeteria areas, and a food service employee training on reducing waste in food preparation and selecting menu options to reduce the potential for food waste. And last one, extracurricular activities or student organizations that promote awareness of the environmental benefits associated with composting food waste. Over to the documentation. So for all projects, provide a quantity of ongoing consumable waste both produced and diverted, as well as a quantity of durable good waste both produced and diverted. A narrative describing how safe storage and disposal of batteries and mercury-containing lamps is in place, and documentation that composting of food waste is not available or economically feasible for schools if this is applicable. For this credit, exemplary performance is available if you divert 75% on ongoing consumables and 100% of durable goods from landfills and incinerators.